Say the last one. What's the name of the last one?
Kering Keri.
The second one.
Ayabaya Bayu. Jesus, what is Ayabaya Bayu?
This one.
Bet na bet. Heavy.
Have.
Oh.
Say it. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video is a little bit different because our setup is different. That's all that's different.
Yani took half an hour to complicate my life. He made me sit here for half an hour to set up everything, and I hate it.
I just like the different atmosphere, different
I don't like
vibe,
it.
and different setting. Today's video is, as you can see the title, we're going to be rating another Instagram. This is the Instagram of Ganda.
Okay, I have to be honest, this is the one that I was waiting for.
Mother. This is mother of the Philippines. The queen of all the gays in the Philippines.
Let's do it.
All Filipino gays look up to him. And I cannot wait to watch his Instagram.
If it's extra just like her costumes, then...
Oh, you remember the ABS-CBN ball, right?
Of course.
Yeah. I'm excited. I can't wait. So we'll see what to expect. I don't know what to expect. I think it's gonna be extra. I think we're gonna see a lot of makeup, a lot of costume.
I'm so curious. So first of all, before we react to that, thank you guys so much for all the support. We love reading your comments. You know that. We love our live chat and we can't wait for that.
Yep. So just smack the subscribe button right now. Hit like. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, here we go.
So it's 7 million. Okay, you were right. Oh, you were right.
So he has 7 billion followers. That's a lot of followers. I would like 1 million of it, but transfer to my account, but that's okay.
That's a lot. And the first thing that hit me is the profile picture that doesn't really look like him.
Well, do you even know how he looks like?
Yes, because I saw so many pictures of him.
Oh, well, he's a versatile
Does it
chameleon.
look like him?
Yeah, to me he does. Well, I know him. I've seen most of him.
To me, he doesn't at all.
Disclaimer, I know him, again, like Ann Curtis, but I've never looked at his Instagram.
I see Jose Marie Visceral. Jose Marie Visceral Vice Ganda.
That's his real name as a man.
Visceral?
Yeah, that's his real name. So that's
Okay.
where the Vice Ganda, Ganda means beautiful in my language. Beautiful.
And the first few pictures.
I love it. I can't wait to click the third photo, this photo, because it reminds me of Wakanda Forever. No, the mother of Wakanda.
Oh
Black
yeah, that's
Panther.
true. That's
no?
true.
Isn't
Let's
that
click
true?
on it. Yeah, click on it.
Okay.
Click on it. Filter.
I think she went to a Halloween
Never
costume.
before.
See, Wakanda Forever.
Oh my god, that's so funny that you
See,
said that.
I told you, she's the mother. Mother has arrived.
But that was a filter, right? It was not just makeup.
No, I think it's just a club. The lighting and the smoke machines and
Okay.
everything.
Look, there's a picture, full body picture of
Full
it.
body picture of it. Yep, that's her.
Damn.
Yep, that's her. I wonder whose Halloween party it is. We would like to be invited next year. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
First picture.
Oh my god, she looks like a pretty girl.
Reminds me of Korean K-pop.
Yes, that's
Fashion.
true. But those roots though.
Girl.
Black. Pitch black.
Are those his real hair or just a wig?
Oh my god, like a Sharpie broke on her head.
She painted the roots black, but she looks good.
Oh my god.
You know she's actually tall?
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Skinty legs, I didn't remember that.
Very skinny.
Does she have real boobs? Like implants?
No, I don't think so. I think he's just keeping... We should use the pronoun he, because I think he's a he.
Okay.
Yeah. So, he is a man. Oh, here's a full Halloween costumes of all the people invited to this party. Ooh. Anything we recognize? Black Panther!
Black Panther is there.
I think
it's all the tribe.
It's all the Black Panther tribe. She loves the blonde hair. Like I said, I hate blonde hair on Asian people.
Yeah, but why does she have a highway on her roots? Look, it's a highway.
Girl, that part in the middle is a highway. No,
Girl.
it's a runway. Love my slimmer V-shaped face.
Oh.
She's actually so beautiful. She actually has a beautiful facial bone structure.
Yeah. Thick lips.
Okay, so this is Bello. Bello is like a very beautiful facial brand or beauty brand in the Philippines. Like they do fillers, face shapes, surgery, and
So
everything.
she got surgery? He got surgery for that?
I don't know, maybe.
I think so.
But I really love the blonde hair.
Yeah.
It really suits her.
I like the highway. I wonder if you have to pay a ticket to get on it.
What highway? Fabio, what highway are you talking about? Oh, wow.
There we go. I see the highway is longer.
No, it's a wig.
Wider.
I can tell it's a wig. The highway is a wig.
Is it?
You can look at the highway.
His face is actually very different than the commercial that I saw. Remember when we reacted to a commercial and his face was round there? And now it looks like his...
Which commercial is this?
When they were all singing, all the stars.
Oh,
in
okay,
the
the ABS-CBN summer commercial something. So.
And this part here, it looks like slimmer. Or he got a chin implant.
Well, contour is life. Maybe it's just a
No,
contour.
no. You cannot erase this part.
But let's talk about the makeup. Makeup is flawless.
You know, he has full infrastructure on her face because she has a bridge, highlighted for days, highway.
The makeup is beautiful.
Wow.
Okay, it's flawless. It's unclockable. She's actually beautiful.
Beautiful.
Cute. Oh my god, how could we forget
That's
this?
the dress. That's
This
the
is
dress.
the dress. He is doing the Met Gala outfit. This year's theme, I think it was this year where they did like Catholicism. She took down the entire window of the church.
Look,
and she put it on her dress.
I have to say when I saw it in this picture, I'm loving the pose, I'm loving the dress and loving the color. But when I saw him walking down that red carpet, I didn't like it because to me it looked like 20 table cloths sewn together on a black fabric.
Tablecloth.
Yeah, because look.
But it's nice. Oh, it's a video.
Tell me it's not a boomerang. She's shy.
Have a slimmer V-shape face. Oh my god, he's really endorsing
Yeah,
Bello. Oh my god, he loves dresses.
Wow.
Can he borrow that dress, please?
Wow.
Oh my gosh. He looks like a waterfall.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. He's a waterfall.
He's really rocking the blonde hair, I must say.
Yeah.
Here's another fierce one.
He looks like an elf here.
He looks like, oh,
The Lord of the Rings.
The Lord of the Ring elf. Oh my gosh, look at the brows.
Yeah.
Those brows are the wings of the eagle. But the makeup is so good. I don't know if there's filter and Facetune, but like it's good. Yes, Tommy.
He's really loving these black roots. He's loving it. I have to say.
Or how about he's just loving the wig?
But
Beautiful.
those high boots are beautiful. He's
It's
rocking
beautiful.
it.
I know. Like I really love his style. I really love his fashion.
Yeah. Let's see this one.
Come through, Taekwondo. This reminds me of Rita Ora.
Oh, true.
Nude lips. He looks like he's about to do a karate move or something.
Yeah, he's like, I'm ready.
That's his show.
I'm ready.
Gandang Gabi vibes. Cute.
Is it like opera or something?
Something like that, but it's more like a funny show, which
Okay.
I like. Oh, his brands. I told you he has a cosmetics.
Oh, he has a brand cosmetic.
Yeah, I think it's all lipsticks for now. That's all he released.
Oh, she fell. Oh no highway. Where's the highway?
The highway went away.
She left it.
Twiggy high fashion Vogue moment.
Nice. I like this one.
Wow,
Cool.
I love the eyeshadow.
He's really loving this relaxed face, a relaxed jaw.
You know who this reminds me of, this photo?
No.
Me.
What do you mean?
I'll show you the photo from my Beyonce Halloween costume.
Oh.
But apparently many people commented in this photo that I look like him.
Oh my god, you do look like her.
You
Even the
guys,
pose.
comment down below if I look like Vice Ganda.
Yeah, the eyebrows, the
That
pose.
is such a compliment. The eyebrows I drew on perfectly that day though. Oh
I
my
have
gosh.
to say though, your lips are better.
He has a fuller lip and I have like no lips on the top.
Yeah, you have
Oh my
nothing.
gosh. Do we look similar?
Yeah, in that picture, yes. Wow, she's ready to work out.
Hi.
What did he have on the headband? Anus?
I don't know. Gang!
Oh, gang.
It says gang. Tommy!
He really likes Tommy Hilfiger.
I feel like he's sponsored by Tommy.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe. Wow, Gucci. Wow.
Here is he's about to dye his hair.
Black and yellow,
He
black
tried
and
Ariana Ganda.
Ariana Ganda. Oh, a different color hair.
Oh.
Boomerang.
Just slow movements. Just very slow. Oh my god. You know, guys, this looks like me when I come home drunk on a Saturday night and I look at myself in the mirror. I'm like,
Who are you? Why did you make the bad decision in life? Oh,
Wow.
that's so nice. He
Blue.
loves. He's like a gay rainbow flag walking around. He's so
Yeah.
colorful.
Yeah. Oh,
High fashion.
and there we go. So many colors.
There we
Boom.
go.
Nude.
I bet you that's a designer boots. Those are
It's
designer
Gucci.
boots. It's Gucci.
Yeah, of course. Wow.
Wow, a black wig, a different wig. Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at those. Look at the arm thingy. It looks like chorizo.
Chorizo hanging together.
It looks like chorizo hanging on his arm. Hold up.
He looks like
They
Victoria
love you like
Beckham
I love
here.
you. Oh my god, okay. Oh
He
my god,
does.
Vice Ganda, he said you look like Victoria Beckham.
Damn.
The dress reminds me of Beyonce.
Yeah.
Hold up.
Oh, yeah,
They
true,
don't love
true,
you
true,
like
true.
I love you.
So poofy.
Oh my god, you're right. It's actually Victoria Beckham.
It-
The face shape, the hair.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Okay,
Yeah.
that's a wow.
So is this? Do you think he's wearing paddings or it's just his legs?
He could be wearing
I think
paddings.
he's wearing
I don't know.
paddings.
Comment down below if he is wearing paddings. If
Is
you don't
it
know what
tucked?
paddings is, it's like paddings you put on your legs to make it more voluptuous and more like a woman.
Yeah. This hourglass shape.
Yes, but we don't know.
But are you tucked, Vice?
He's probably tucked.
He is tucked. You know, every time I see these long wigs, I'm like, so when she goes to the dinner table, she sits on it.
What's this? Is that him when he was younger?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's his dad.
Is that him for real?
I think so. Gasp.
Oh my god.
Yes, Hunty.
You're about to show that butterfly.
Yes,
aren't
mama.
you? Wow.
Yes, mother.
I don't know how you achieved this look.
It's like
I don't know how.
he's like mother has arrived, and he's like I only did my lips and that's it. I'm not even
Just
ready
a
yet.
touch of lip
Just
balm.
a touch
and
of,
that's
touch of
it.
red lip, and that's it. That's a
Wow.
gasp-worthy outfit.
Wow.
That looks like a lily flower.
Yeah. It's like a beautiful flower.
So if he walks, I'm sure it bounces.
It does.
And if it's windy, it goes into his face.
You can use it as a napkin too. And you're like,
When you're eating at dinner.
sir, napkin for you?
No, I'm
good.
okay.
If
Multi-purpose.
and
yeah.
you know, if it rains, kids can go under.
Umbrella!
There we
Yes!
go.
That's
Wow.
nice too.
I love this.
Red, the dress is red, the wig is yellow. Looks like McDonald's. Pa-pa-ra-pa-pa. Okay.
Ooh, nice.
Okay, Gucci.
Nice.
See, he's wearing Gucci again. Champion. He loves brands, eh?
Oh, I thought it was a bag of chips. Wow.
Wow, Met Gala. No, he said charot. Charot means joke.
He has the growl here.
A chalice.
Yeah, the growl.
What's growl?
Growl.
Growl.
Sacred growl.
Grail.
Oh, is that how you say it? In Italian we say growl. Very
A
nice.
co-legal wife.
Let's see. Whoa.
Lady Gaga who?
Yeah.
Lady Gaga what? Bish where?
Is that a real tattoo that she has?
Yeah, she has some tattoos. Wow. So if you
Wow,
see,
that's very aggressive.
if you look at his closet full of wigs, it looks like Power Ranger. He could be the Power Ranger.
Oh, true.
Like he has so many color wigs: blue, yellow, red, white.
Favorite is the last one and the second last one.
Say the last one. What's the name of the last one?
Kering Keri.
The second one.
Ayabaya Bayu. Jesus, what it? Ayabaya Bayu.
This one.
Bet na bet. Heavy.
Have.
Oh,
Say it.
have.
Oh, there you go, Mega.
Wow, she made. Oh wow, who's that model?
Ann Curtis. We
Oh,
reacted
yeah.
to her. Oh my
Look at
gosh,
her.
Fabio. Oh my god, Ganda is so animated.
It is wow.
So cute.
Looks like Sailor Moon there.
Thighs for days. Beyonce who?
Wow.
Beyonce love on top where?
Well. And he's loving these high boots, I see.
I'm not sure if he's really wearing paddings, but those thighs,
I think so. I think he's wearing paddings.
those are Kardashian ass.
Yeah.
Those are like real, voluptuous, bootylicious asses.
Yeah. Why she's wearing high boots all the time?
Why?
She doesn't shave. It's like, let me hide this. Wow.
Oh. Abundant supply of napkin.
Yeah.
Oh, Korean look again.
This is very 80s, this haircut.
It's a Korean haircut now. That's so in right now. He's wearing the Ganda cosmetics.
Look, just a couple of swatches.
Oh my god, I live for his outfits.
That's a beautiful outfit.
I live for his outfits. Oh my god, silky, white,
Yeah.
with touch of gold.
Yeah. He doesn't smile often in
Well,
camera.
in Instagram,
He's
you're not
very-
supposed to smile on Instagram. Damn!
Damn, this is Lady Gaga style.
Imagine
no?
if he goes to war like this. That's his breastplate.
Wait,
that's
what?
his war
Oh, look at that. It's like a kid
outfit attached on his body.
outfit just attached. Annabelle.
Vacation photos.
Oh my god, so his legs are really like that. Because here,
Yeah.
he's not wearing paddings, that's for sure.
They're real. I told you.
Oh, wow.
They're real legs.
So they are curvy there and
Yep.
it's so nice.
Yep.
Damn, I
Damn.
love that hairstyle.
That's a lot. The whole bottle of hairspray there. Wow.
Damn.
That is mega cover.
Damn, that's beautiful. It's like, oh, someone just slapped me.
Reminds me of Taylor Swift, actually.
Yeah, it looks like she's in a lavender field.
It reminds me of Taylor Swift. I wonder where this is.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. And please comment down below if you enjoyed as well. And let Vice Ganda know that we were reacting to his Instagram.
Please.
We love it. I personally love his blonde hair, especially when it's short, and I love the wave as well.
Yeah, I like it when it's long, like this look.
Yeah,
it's so beautiful.
Yeah, and I love the gown.
And his makeup is always so perfect.
Fleek.
Really love it.
Fleek.
Please help us, because we need some sometimes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.
Ciao.